We bring that engineering and that science together. The Bonnie Park project, the Lowhead Dam in general in rivers can create a barrier. So for instance, for fish to go upstream. So anytime you change the flow of the river, remove the Lowhead Dam, it's a pretty significant exercise in understanding the flow of the river. So there was a lot of hydraulics, H&H work done to understand, what happens during normal flows and then what happens during storm flows. That stream section was restored using natural channel design, and we created additional floodplain. And the overall purpose was to create better habitat and water quality. There's a foundation or a abutment to that dam that remains in place, and it serves as an overlook for people to look out at the new, the natural stream channel incorporates some pools and riffles so you can see the river flowing. There's also a walkway. Part of the floodplain that was established is a new, like a wetland area. Returned it to more of a natural space for people to enjoy.